Right, let's just recap on our process. So we want to respond to leads instantly with human sounding messaging, like we talked about. We want to qualify. Qualifying is such a big part of it. We want to craft converting replies to keep those conversations going with the right people, automate those smart follow-ups so that what we're getting through this are the right people in our calendars ready to speak to. And then we want to use the AI insights from what is working to continue learning and just become a better tool. So when your salespeople come in, when you come into the office, you have the right people in your calendar, your time is optimized, your customer's time is valued, and you're converting way more because you're talking to the right people. That's I keep saying it. It's the sales utopia. It's the sales world that we've all. If you've worked in sales, come on, this is what we've all been dreaming of for years, and I love that it is here. And honestly, mind blown. As soon as I saw SalesAPE in action, it was just like, wow, this is a phenomenal tool that's going to help so many companies. And again, benefits the customer, benefits the salesperson, everyone wins. We'll go through the Q&A in just a second. Here's the QR code again. Go and see for yourself. That's all I encourage. Not selling anything. There's no sort of money involved at this stage. Just go and see. That's all I encourage everyone to do. At best, put a couple of minutes, go and see it in action and give it a try. And if you're curious, book yourself in to talk to the team, let them show you how it could work. And you never know, you may end up using this and suddenly you're able to sell more. You're getting better people into your calendar, you're having better conversations. And maybe heading into 2026, you're able to massively improve your sales process. Why you wouldn't want to try it, I just don't know.